Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro. Now here, as you can see, I have this window and I have this video with the green screen, and I want to make this green screen transparent. So to do so, you just have to highlight the video like so, then go here to effects, then you want to search for Ultra key. If you cannot see the effects window, you can go here to window on the top left side, then go and search for effects or click on Shift plus 7 in order to show it like so. After that, you want to go and drag the Ultra key effect right down to your video. Then you want to go and open the effect controls menu. If you cannot see it, you can also go to window, then you want to go and click on effect controls or press on Shift plus 5. After that, you want to scroll down till you find here the Ultra key section. You just have to click on this eyedropper tool. Then you want to go and click on the green screen right here, and it will remove it and it will make it transparent, as you can see. Now I can play my video, and now it's transparent. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.